Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Generating Lorem Ipsum text in Visual Studio Code, VS Code, can be done in various ways, including using extensions, built-in snippets, or custom scripts. Below is a tutorial that covers these methods. Method 1, using an extension. One of the simplest ways to generate Lorem Ipsum text in VS Code is by using an extension. Here's how to do it. Step 1, install an extension. 1. Open VS Code. 2. Go to the extensions view by clicking on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X. 3. Search for Lorem Ipsum in the extensions marketplace. 4. Install an extension like Lorem Ipsum or Lorem Ipsum Generator. Step 2, generate Lorem Ipsum text. 1. After installing the extension, you can typically trigger it by typing a specific command or using a shortcut. 2. For example, in some extensions, typing Lorem followed by pressing Tab will insert a default Lorem Ipsum text block into your document. Method 2, using built-in snippets. VS Code also allows you to define your own snippets, which can be a handy way to generate Lorem Ipsum. Step 1, create a custom snippet. 1. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P. 2. Type configure user snippets and select it. 3. Choose or create a snippet file for the language you are using, for example, javascript.json. Step 2, add a snippet for Lorem Ipsum. Add the following snippet to the JSON file. JSON. Lorem Ipsum. Prefix, Lorem. Body. Lorem Ipsum do lower sit amit, consecti ter adipising illit, sed duias mod tempier insidigent ut labor et dolor magna aliqua. Utnm adminum venium, quis nostrud exercitation alamco laboris nisi ut aliquip ex ea commodo consequad. Duis aut iruer dolor in reprehendrit in voluptate velit esse silum dolor eu fugiat nulla periator. Excepter sint cat cupiditat non proident, sunt in culpa qui officia dis runt mollit anim id est labrum. Description, insert Lorem Ipsum text. Step 3, use the snippet. 1. Save the snippet file. 2. In your code file, type Lorem and press Tab to insert the Lorem Ipsum text. Method 3, using a custom script. If you want to generate Lorem Ipsum text programmatically, you can write a small script in JavaScript, or any language of your choice. Here's an example in JavaScript. Step 1, create a JavaScript file. 1. Create a new file named loremipsum.js. Step 2, write the script. Add the following code to generate Lorem Ipsum text. JavaScript. Function generate Lorem Ipsum, number paragraphs. Const Lorem Ipsum text equals. Lorem Ipsum do lower sit amit, consecti ter adipising illit. Sed duias mod tempier insidigent ut labor et dolor magna aliqua. Utnm adminum venium, quis nostrud exercitation alamco laboris nisi ut aliquip ex ea commodo consequad. Duis aut iruer dolor in reprehendrit in voluptate velit esse silum dolor eu fugiat nulla periator. Excepter sint cat cupiditat non proident, sunt in culpa qui officia dis runt mollit anim id est labrum. Let result equals 4, let I equals 0, I number paragraphs, I plus plus. Result plus equals Lorem Ipsum text.join, plus \n\n. Return result. / example usage, generate 3 paragraphs of Lorem Ipsum. Console.log, generate Lorem Ipsum, 3. Step 3, run the script. 1. Open the terminal in VS Code by pressing Ctrl+, backtick. 2. Run the script using node.js. Bash. Node lorem ipsum.js. 3. You'll see the generated lorem ipsum text printed in the terminal. Conclusion. You now have 3 different methods to generate lorem ipsum text in Visual Studio Code. Whether you prefer using an extension, creating a custom snippet, or writing your own script, you can easily insert placeholder text into your projects. Feel free to explore and adjust these methods based on your preferences and project requirements. Certainly. Generating lorem ipsum text in Visual Studio Code, VS Code, can be done using a variety of methods. Below is a step-by-step tutorial that covers a couple of different approaches, including using built-in extensions and writing a simple script to generate lorem ipsum text. Method 1, using an extension. 1. Open Visual Studio Code. Launch VS Code on your computer. 2. Install an extension. To generate lorem ipsum text easily, you can install an extension. One popular option is Lorem Ipsum Generator. Click on the extensions view icon, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. In the search bar, type Lorem Ipsum Generator. Find the extension in the list and click on the Install button. 3. Using the extension. After installation, you can generate lorem ipsum text. Open a new file or an existing file where you want to insert the text. Use the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Type lorem ipsum and select the command to generate your desired amount of text, example 1 paragraph, 2 paragraphs, etc. The generated lorem ipsum text will be inserted into your file. Method 2, writing your own script. If you want more control over the content or need to generate lorem ipsum text programmatically, you can write a simple script in JavaScript or Python. Example in JavaScript. 1. Create a new file. Open a new file and save it as lorem.js. 2. Write the code. Add the following code to generate lorem ipsum text. JavaScript. Function generate lorem ipsum, paragraphs equals 1. Const lorem ipsum equals lorem ipsum do lower sit amit, consecti ter adipissing illit. Sed duius mod tempier insidigent ut labor et dolor magna aliqua. Ut enim adminum venium, quis nostrud exercitation alamco laboris nisi ut aliquip ex ea commodo consequud. Let result equals 4, let I equals 0, I paragraphs, I plus plus. Result plus equals lorem ipsum plus \n\n. Return result.trim. / example usage. Console.log, generate lorem ipsum, 3, / generates 3 paragraphs of lorem ipsum text. 3. Run the script. Open the integrated terminal in VS Code by pressing Ctrl+. Navigate to the directory where your lorem.js file is located. Run the script using node.js by typing bash node lorem.js. The console will display the generated lorem ipsum text. Example in Python. 1. Create a new file. Open a new file and save it as lorem.py. 2. Write the code. Add the following code to generate lorem ipsum text. Python. Def generate _lorem _ipsum, paragraphs equals 1. Lorem _ipsum equals lorem ipsum do lower sit amit, consecti ter adipissing illit. Sed duius mod tempier insidigent ut labor et dolor magna aliqua. Ut enim adminum venium, quis nostrud exercitation alamco laboris nisi ut aliquip ex ea commodo consequud. Result equals 4 in range, paragraphs. Result plus equals lorem _ipsum plus \n\n. Return result.strip. Example usage. If ___name ___ main ____ print, generate _Lorem _Ipsum, 3, generates 3 paragraphs of Lorem Ipsum text. 3. Run the script. Open the integrated terminal in VS Code by pressing ctrl+. Navigate to the directory where your lorem.py file is located. Run the script using Python by typing bash python lorem.py. The console will display the generated Lorem Ipsum text. Conclusion: you now have 2 methods to generate Lorem Ipsum text within Visual Studio Code. Using an extension is quick and easy, while writing your own script gives you more customization options. You can modify the text and the number of paragraphs generated in your script as needed.